Okay, so hi everyone. Hope you're having, I'm gonna say, a blessed day. Of course, it's blessed because you woke up this morning, didn't you? You woke up. So the rest of your day should be blessed. So today, I'm coming to you because, I know a lot of you don't know this about me, but I've said it, I don't know, in one of my videos and carrying on, I'm this kind of t-shirt, laid back kind of gal, t-shirts are my thing. So, talking on Zoom, because I don't know how many of you are on Zoom, with family, friends, and co-workers and everything. We have been talking about, when you go in the store to get your, your essentials and carrying on, if you're actually looking around or paying attention and stuff, we were talking about teachers, during this pandemic, before the pandemic, I'm going to say, you can walk into the store, there's always, teachers there, pick you up a shirt, go about your business. I mean, for me, t-shirts, leggings, and socks, some shorts, wintertime, what have you, I put a blazer on and everything. I always have some kind of t-shirt on with some kind of saying on it, which this is what we're talking about, because on Zoom with, my family, friends, and coworkers and everything, we had the t-shirt lipstick challenge going on. The t-shirt lipstick challenge is a challenge for 5 days. You post 5 days, 5 different t-shirts, maybe your favorite ones or whatever sayings you have on your shirts, so people can see what you're saying, because during my Zoom meetings and everything, they just think like, okay, I don't know, do I get up and just like, okay, I'm not for today or something, and I have this shirt on with something on it, but that's not exactly true. I mean, some of it is, but some of it isn't. I'm just a t-shirt person. I have all different types. I mean, I have like hundreds of t-shirts. So, but anyway, this challenge is for everyone, male and females. Of course, you males, y'all. You can't do the lippy. But for the females, I want people to join me. It's for 5 days. This is day 1, and we have 4 more days to go. These videos will be up at 3 o'clock every day for the next 4 days, just like this one was up for 3 o'clock today. So, tell me something about the shirt that you're wearing. This is what my shirt says. It says, I'm not bossy, I am the queen. And I'm not bossy, I'm the boss, but not bossy. Sometimes I probably can be. I really probably can be bossy, but that's just to make you get your, your job done. I need you, do your job, okay? Do your job. You know what I mean? But anyway, so, like I said, mine says, I'm not bossy, I am the queen. Of course, I'm the queen of my castle, and the queen of my company. I'm the queen of my job. I'm going to take that. I'm going to take that. But this is my, t-shirt for day 1. And my lippy is the RubyKiss. This is in the, now I'm supposed to know the name of this already. Isn't that terrible? This is the heroine purple. I know I advertised these before I did lip swatches on these. Oh, in one of my videos. And this is the ShopMissA, the diamond lip gloss. If you can see the little shine on top. It is the Gypsy. So, join me. You decide to do one, tag me in it, hashtag me, so I can see what's kind of t-shirts you're wearing. What is it saying? What are you meaning for the day? Let me see what Lippie that you're choosing as well. So, this is the end of my video. Y'all know I like to do fun things on here. Things that are going on Zoom, I want to bring it to the tube. Bring it to YouTube. So, join me in the 5-day t-shirt Lippie challenge. Like I said, hashtag me, let me know. So, leave me a thumbs up. Leave me any comments. Press that subscribe button. And don't forget to ring that bell so you can see day 2, 3, 4. And this will be 5. Okay? Mwah. Thanks, everyone. Have a great day.